Alright, so we are at Lake Provincial Park. And this is in Canada, north of Cache Creek. And sunny for once. Sunny and nice. Oh, we're not getting killed. This is the park host check-in site. There's one other RV here in the whole park. We just did a drive-through of everything. Came back around and found a site that we like. So they're only here in the morning and then 6 to 8 p.m. at night. Did a self-registration, $18 Canadian. And there's 50 plus campgrounds here. Most are pullouts about like that size, but some are larger. There are some down here on the water. I'll take a picture of that in a moment and show you what that looks like along the lake. It's very pretty here and so happy to have sun. And it's clouding up a little bit, but we've had sun almost 80% of the day. So my solar has been kicking in and charged up my batteries. Let's go down to the lake. All right, we're down on the water. Now this is Green Lake. It's pretty good size. I see homes over there along the shores. And I'm not sure, but there's probably boating. I think I heard someone go by in a motorboat just a moment ago. It's very pretty. Leaves are starting to turn. This is September 17, so to be expected, I guess. I said this is bear country, so I did bring my bear spray. Thank you, Greg and Jury. And the water is very, very clear and clean. You can see right through that, so this is not dirty water at all. And a small little beach to play and romp on. So this is quite nice. And there are pit toilets, men and women, they're separated, and some fresh water. It said something about hookups, but I didn't see any hookups. Maybe I got that confused with another site. But this is really great. This is beautiful. And the terrain changed tremendously for us coming north from out of where we were, which I can't remember the name. I'll put the link, I'll put a name down in there for you. We're in some beautiful, beautiful mountainous canyons. It was great. It was awesome. But it changed now to much more flat, lower land. I think we're in the Fraser Plateau area. But farms, some cows. In fact, there's free-range cows coming through here. So, let's see what else we can find. Well, looky, looky, bring all the little ankle biters. There's a playground for the kids to get out here and break their legs. Awesome. So, anyone with kids, they can come down here and play. And looks like, yeah, pebble. So it wouldn't hurt too hard, or hurt too much if they fell, since it's all gravel. Hey, it's kept up very well. This place is really clean. It's very nice. I see a horseshoe pit right over there. So the grandparents can bring kids down here, turn them loose, play horseshoes. The younger generation probably does not know what that is. There we are, right over there. Like I said, we're the only, there's only one other couple in the whole place here. Lud. That's south, by the way. Take that back. Looks like the grandparents can't play horseshoes and let the kids over here. You gotta supervise the little guys. Here's our setup. It was level enough side to side. I didn't have to raise the wheels up on any levelers at all. And just raise the hitch of the truck up some. You can see I got my truck up jacked up just a little bit over there. So we got her all stabilized. Didn't take 10 minutes, less. Now, why would I have the awning out on a great day like that? That could be because that sucker's wet. That man has been soaked for 4 days, so I got it out to let it dry a little bit. But man, talk about a gorgeous place. There's some walk around in here too for you. It's very, very quiet. Love this and really like the blue sky. I'm curious to see what the stars are going to be like tonight. It's rather chilly. It was 52 degrees when we pulled in here on the way. Much warmer down lower, but this is going to work out really good. So we're only here one night, but that's good enough. We want to keep going north to Prince George, and that's still 300 kilometers away, I think. Something like that. But, hey, for $18 Canadian, I'll take it. I'll take it.